Ooey-Gooey mango and banana upside down cake. Cream some butter and some sugar. Okay, and then we are going to add some eggs. And you generally want to do this one at a time, but for the sake of time,
television.
We're just gonna
baby.
Oh, he was a best.
just gonna mix up the eggs and the cream butter and sugar. All right. So that you want to get it nice and smooth. So we have our dry ingredients. We have some flour. We have some baking powder. We have some salt.
That's insane.
Yep.
Is it good? It's so, as you can see, it's so easy.
Do not make that for people you don't love because they will come back.
Sure, you don't want that. Okay.
All right, so you add that.
Mix
You got
it
the
up.
mangoes and the bananas.
Yeah, we got some buttermilk because that's going to keep it nice and moist. And then we have
Buttermilk
some
is so delicious and tangy.
and everything.
Yeah, everything.
Pancakes, anything. Some vanilla extract. I love. You can never put too much vanilla extract.
I
Just
agree,
mix
I
that
agree.
up.
Totally
What we
different.
did here was we added some butter, some sugar, and a little bit of like some butter and sugar, and then mangoes and bananas. You can arrange it however you want. The easiest is to dice it up, but you can make them in like little like formations, however you want.
Right,
It doesn't
you can
matter.
be uptight about it or loosey-goosey about it.
Exactly. No one likes an
Now, did
uptight
you par
person.
cook that at all? You
Yes,
just threw-
and you
yeah.
threw it in the oven. You let the juices come out a little bit. Let it soak in that delicious sort of marinade of butter and sugar. Then
And
we
then you
have
pour your batter on top.
exactly. Yep. And if you want to be like quick and efficient, just use like cake box mix. Box cake mix. I always get that mixed up. Box cake mix.
Yeah, but that was
easy
really
was that?
easy. That
Easy.
was
So
nothing.
easy.
It took 5 minutes, so you probably already have all that
Exactly.
stuff.
Exactly.
Okay. So we have
All right,
this.
they want me to show the ta-da. That's what it looks like coming out of the oven.
Yeah.
You let it cool, right?
They wanted me to flip it.
All right,
Because it's
try.
like very dramatic, but it could end up all over the place.
Well, that's exciting.
Okay.
And that will make for better ratings.
Yes, let's do it. Here, I'll just pour it over myself.
No, don't do it.
Wait, so
All
we
right,
did-
give it a
oh,
flip. See
all
if it
right.
works. I'll
So-
put this in the sink so they can see.
Let it cool for like 20 minutes because it's gonna be way too hot.
Or not at all.
Just do it right away, like you're doing.
Oh, God.
See, I'm so good at this. All right.
It's okay. We can't feel our fingers. People that work in a kitchen can't feel their
That's
hands
true.
anyway.
Oh.
Nice.
There it is! Turn it to metal!
Yeah! Look at that!
Yes.
We did it!
And it's really great with ice cream. And if you like cook it way too much, just pour some like condensed milk on it or something, caramel, anything.
It's very forgiving.
Very forgiving. It doesn't matter.